Hi, I'm Everett Abrams with DRP Enterprises in Chemung, New Jersey. Here we're doing what we do best. We're restoring wood, and specifically a log cabin, and we're the best in South Jersey at doing log cabins. It's evident in the work we do, and same way here. We use our own products. Behind me you'll see our Tabernacle Harvest on here. Seneca Brown is on the steps that lead into the house, and really came out really nice. It's rich, it's not overbearing orange on these logs. It really looks like a wet piece of cedar with that orangey brown tone to it, so it really looks nice and rich. You see we got the brigade working across the front. That's because we know how to do it, and we know how to stain wood. We stain from the bottom up. That way your first coat that drips down doesn't become a coat of stain. That's what happens with transparents. This isn't paint where you paint over it. So we start from the bottom up, and we make sure when we do a whole side, and this is a long log cabin, that we do the whole thing in one day. Because if it's sunny today and 90 and tomorrow's cloudy and 75 or 80, it's going to penetrate differently, and you'll see the changes where we stop and where we start. So we always do it on a light day, which is what you see going on here. We got the brigade going. So we got a great, fantastic crew. We're in South Jersey, centrally in South Jersey, kind of in Chemung. So between the middle of New Jersey to the southern tip of New Jersey, we're in a pretty good spot to handle your log cabins, a lot of your exterior wood. So I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and we're ready to do your cabin, deck, or whatever you got for us.